Hello dear subscribers, today I'll tell you how you can easily fix this error. So here you can see it, Facebook will be back soon. So how you can fix it? So first thing you need to check your internet connection. So just go to the settings, open the settings, and in the settings you need to find here Wi-Fi. So just try to turn it off and turn on again. Also you can do it with mobile data or cellular data. Just turn off and turn on again. So after, just scroll down, just tap on general. After, just choose shutdown, slide to power off, wait for a second and just power your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And also you can try to go to App Store. Just go to search tab. In search tab just write here Facebook. And if you see here not open.update, just tap on update and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your Facebook. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.